Sue, somewhere so I can prove that Masterquiz have got the answer to this particular question wrong.
Yes, but this is just an old airfield. How on earth will you prove your point here?
Just you wait and see.
I really don't understand. There isn't even anything to look at here.
That's where you're wrong, Sue. Look. This is the Imps Motorcycle Display Team. These are all little children, all right? Very clever indeed. And I am going to prove to you, once and for all, that that trick is not possible. Yeah, they've got the answer wrong, and I'm going to prove it to you. I'm going to have a word with one of these, Hello? One here. Excuse me, I wonder if you could, I wonder if... Hang on, I can't hear anything they're saying. Well, I'm getting to get them to turn the engines off, and then perhaps we'll have another word with him. Just a minute. Once they've turned the engines off. I wonder if you could help. Sorry, I didn't realise they'd switched the engines off. Perhaps we'll better introduce ourselves. My name's Matthew. What's your name?
Neil.
You're Neil. Are you a member of this Imps Motorcycle Display Team?
Yes.
It's very impressive, Neil. Listen, I wonder if you can help us out. My friends and myself, we're having a bit of an argument about this question we've been asked. Now, it says here, is it possible for a 14-year-old to ride a motorbike while standing on top of a 7-foot ladder? Now, you don't actually have to answer it, Neil, because I know the answer to this. It's impossible, isn't it?
No.
No? What do you mean?
Look there.
Look where?
There.
Hey, look! Yes, you're right! Look, Sooty, look, sweet, look, Sue. Certainly got that one wrong, didn't I?
Right, you. Do you want to see the rest of our display, then?
The rest of your display? I'd love to see it. OK?
Hey, lads!
Go on, then. Off you go. Go and do the rest of the display. Watch this. The Imps are going to show us the rest of their display. Should be good.